Hey everyone, I am Michael Ponce, and for today's video, I gonna tell you the 3 good things, 3 bad things about myself and also on how to everyone and change the bad personality or behavior I have. Let's start. As I reflect my personality, I recognize that I possess several strengths that enable me to achieve my goals and build strong relationships. 3 of my notable good personality traits are my resilience, empathy, and self-motivation. I am able to bounce back from my setback and failure, which allows me to learn from my mistakes and grow as a person. My empathetic nature enables me to understand and connect with others, fostering meaningful relationship and effective communication. Moreover, my self-motivation drives me to pursue my passion and interest with dedication and perseverance. However, I also acknowledge that I have areas for improvement. Three of, three of my notable bad personality traits are my impulsiveness, procrastination, and perfectionism. At times, I act can lead to reckless exclusion and mistake. Additionally, my tending and mistake, my tendency to procrastinate can hinder my productivity and cause undue stress. Furthermore, my perfectionistic tendencies can make me overly critical of myself and others, leading to unrealistic expectation and disappointment. Thank you.